Izakhamizi zasePimville ezone 9 zisuse umbhikisho namuhla ekseni kwaphazamiseka imizamo yeCity Power yokubuyiswa kogesi ngokuphelele kule ndawo. Umphakathi uthi uhlaleke ungenagesi inyanga ezine nokuholeleke kwenyukeni kwezinga lobugebengu kanye nobunzima besimo senhlalo. Lezi zakhamizi iphindeke zaveza ukuthi sekushone abantu ababili kule ndawo njengoba ugesi ubungekho okwenzekeke ngenxa yezingqinamba eziyamene nokungabi nawo ugesi.
Bafuna impendulo ebambekayo abahlali basezone 9 ePimville kulandela ukuphela kwezinyanga ezine bephila ngaphandle kogesi kule ndawo. Lo mphakathi ubeke kanjena ngalenkinga kanye nobunzima ababuthwalayo.
Khansela ubefonelwa ezama meeting besiba nawo but inqubekela phambili asiboni. Kuyimanje kulamaviki adlulile sishonelwa abantu ababili la. Oyedwa wangenela endlini wadutshulwa endlini kubo bona lobumnyama. Umphakathi awuphuma abantu abakwazi ukuphuma because bayasaba ukuthi uzophuma maybe lelo bullet lizohlangana nawo ngoba kumnyama and ayikho into ayenza ngalokho. Ayikho. We've been complaining kwathiwa kuyahlangana no City Power kwathiwa kunama meeting kuma boardroom 99 but still inqubekela phambili asinayo.
Kumele abantu laba basuke abantwana bayo ayena kweminye imizi kokotelwe abantu ekseni ukuthi abantwana bakwazi ukuayinelwa. Kwamanzi abantwana bakwazi ukugeza baye esikolweni. Mina kuyo yonke lento le into engihlukumezayo ne abantu abadala abantwana.
City Power yasifela abantwana balambile. No khansela wethu akasinaki since silibe simlando khansela akasenzeli lutho khansela.
Kusenjalo izaguga zakule ndawo zibika usizi lodwa njengoba ziziphilisa ngemali yesibonelelo sikahulumeni.
Kusukela iJanuary ayina gezi ababya ayina swo ridza mikapu ayinwi tiya ayiendli nchumu. A swi tivi ku hi endleni la zone 9 hi kombela ndzilo wu vuya va ka hina hikusa hi kutani va swi tiva ku vakhegulu va hlupheka a hi koti ku famba a hi koti ku tithova a hi koti ku endla nchumu a hi swi tivi ku i yini lexi hi nga xi vona la zone 9.
Belong from May 15 till now asina gesi and ngikhola umndende abazukulu ngapha fanele baye ezikolweni bageza ngani se ayina ngani and le mali le sithola yomndende incane ayenzi nix and ngize ngahamba ngayo thenga igas kwayona lo gas leyo ayingisizi nganix ngoba iyashesha kuphela 2 weeks is enough.
Inkampani ephakela ngogesi kumasipala waseJohannesburg okuyi-City Power kubikwa ukuthi yagcina ngokuzofaka ama-transformer nokubikwa ukuthi inqubekela phambili ayaziwa namanje. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngisePimville.
Khona manjalo iCity Power ithi iphehli kagesi ezimbili bezinenkinga seyishintshiwe nengxenye yamandla kagesi yabuyiselwa kepha ke ukubuyiselwa kagesi ngokuphelele sekubanjezelwa ke ukumelana nenqubo yohlelo lwabo lokusebenza olujwayelekile. Le nkampani kagesi ithi ke lolu hlelo lidinga izakhamizi ukuthi ithenge ugesi okuqala ngaphambi kokuthi ubuyiselwe ngokugcwele nokuumbandela abathi kwagcina kuvunyelene ngawo phambilini.
City Power is aware of the protest currently taking place in Pimville Zone 9 and we are closely monitoring the situation. We'd like to assure residents that the status of the electricity restorations remain unchanged. The 2 transformers that were out of service for a prolonged period of time has now been installed and the medium voltage network has already been energized. The remaining step is the energizing of the low voltage network which supplies electricity directly to the households. This final step is dependent on normalization. Normalization is a standard process that City Power implements before we restore supply after prolonged outages. It allows us to confirm active and legal electricity usage and purchasing, ensuring that the network can operate within the safe limits and also protect the infrastructure from any damage. It also ensures that electricity is distributed fairly and sustainably to all the residents. As part of this process, the customers are required to make a once-off initial purchase of electricity, which is set at about 500 rands for the general customers and about 200 rand for qualifying indigent household registered under the expanded social package. This requirement was communicated and accepted during the community meetings, one of which was held on the 22nd of January 2026 and again another one on the 18th of March, showing the efforts that City Power has made to try and speak to the community, communicate these changes to the community and ensure that the community understands that electricity can no longer be free. It is important to note that the approach is not unique to Pimville Zone 9 only. Normalization has been successfully implemented in other areas that were historically not purchasing electricity, including Alexandra, Maiboe, Pennyville, Freedom Park, Tepisong, among others, where it has resulted in improved network stability and also better service delivery. As City Power have made attempts to engage further with the community leadership in Pimville. However, these engagements have not taken place under conditions that ensure the safety of our employees, which remains our priority. Electricity supply will be restored once the normalization requirements have been met. We therefore encourage residents to comply with the process so that we can proceed with energizing the network and ensure that they've got lights in their homes. We remain committed at City Power to resolving the matter and restore supply in a fair, transparent and sustainable manner.